Today is going to be the happiest day of my life. I'm getting married to the beautiful Mallory. How is the best man?
He's fine.
You better be better than fine, cousin. Get to the church for 10 a.m. and remember to wear some nice clothes. I want you looking good for the wedding.
Hey guys, what's going on? Sam says it here, bringing back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called Mr. and Mrs. Bellic if you have chosen to do the revenge side. Of course, these missions does vary depending on what you choose. So there's the revenge side, and of course Roman reminds you to head over to this wedding.
Hey, Kate. I took your advice. I cut my connections with that man.
I'm really proud of you, Nico. It must have been really hard to turn down the money and stick to your principles.
Well, it was the right thing to do. Are you coming to Roman's wedding?
Can you pick me up and take me there? I'll be at my ma's.
See you soon.
Okay, here you go. So we've just spoken to Kate, and she's coming to the wedding with you. Unlike if you have chosen to deal, then you won't even see Kate at all. So here you go. So just head over to her ma's house, pick her up. She's there. She's not even dressed for the occasion, don't seem like. Pick her up and then head over straight to the church with Kate to your car and this flashy car. Oh yes.
Not bad ones. Recently I have had...
Oh, time to preen like a peacock.
Look at you in those fancy clothes, Nico. Trying to upstage the groom on his wedding day? Let's get me married.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Yes! Wonderful! Okay. Yes, I did it!
Hey!
Yes!
Congratulations, cousin!
Thanks for coming.
Hey! All right, yes, okay. There we go. Okay, yes, we are married. Okay.
Nico,
You fucking double-crossing immigrant shit!
Go on. Oh, come on out of this blood clot. Nico. Nico, come on. Oh. Somebody call an ambulance. Call a fucking ambulance!
She's dead!
What? Oh, shit. Shit.
She told me to leave it. I thought I had. I thought it was over.
It's never over, Aya. Nico, you can't blame yourself.
Of course I can! She's dead!
Easy. Are you better, man? Easy. Calm down, man. Calm down. Nico, you have to get out of here. Yes, go on, man. Go on, man. We have to leave, man. Just leave.
Get out of here.
Don't
Go.
worry, we take care of this, man.
Okay,
Leave.
okay.
Okay, man. So your beloved Kate is now dead,
Poor girl.
killed
She
by
should never have
Pecorino.
got close to me.
Just unbelievable. Okay, so there you go. So of course prepare yourself for the final mission where of course you'll be hunting down Mr. Pecorino himself. So I'm Sam Sensei, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'm out. Peace.